Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Cran Gin-ger, okay? Created by my girl Tiana, another little master mixologist there. So, she has some gin, beautiful. And then she follows up with some Aperol. Come behind that with a Cran ginger juice that she made at home. The recipe is down below. Okay, pour that in. Angostura Bitters, yes. And the drink's always delicious. Fresh lemon juice. Guys, these people, sugar, look at it. These mixologists, they gourmet chefs just in the cocktail category. You have to understand, it's the same thing. Ice, and now we shake, okay? So we're getting that rosemary that she just put in there to mix in. Always drink responsibly. Here's the cool part of this drink, a little Absinthe Rinse, okay? Hit it with a blowtorch, okay? And then we blow it out, pour it out, okay? Trying to burn down the whole house. So now we have a little hint of absinthe in there. Pour in that mix and it goes together perfectly. It's delicious, it's fun, it's sexy, love it. And there you have it. Tell them what it's called.
The Cran Gin-ger.
No, say it the way it's supposed to be said.
Well, it's the gin-ger.
Okay.
It's ginger.
These are good. These mixologists and their wordplay. They're really good.
Sorry, but.
She's like a linguist over here. The Cran Gin-ger. Okay.
Oh, you're the worst.
I like it. Yeah, I could drink this like water, yeah.
Has a lot of the components that you like. The gin and a little bit of bitterness from the Aperol.
I like this. So guys, tell me what you think about this. She have a lot of tattoos. You could see all this, right? And I'm like, you know what she really needs? A Tipsy Bartender tattoo. Okay?
I'll do it if he pays for it.
Nothing big.
100%.
Nothing big, okay? Just the logo right here, okay? Tipsy 2017, something like that.
We need to do an Instagram weigh-in.
You see what I'm saying? And I think that'll really, really
me too.
take your mixology to the next level.
Gonna shoot me right to the top.
Probably like a big back piece. Anyway, we can talk.
It'll be like Steve-O.
Yeah, we can talk. Yeah, yes, that's what I'm thinking. Anyway, look here, guys, go follow her on Instagram. Check out, ask about the recipes, okay? Ask about this right here, okay? Ask about the Rapunzel that she got really going on right now. All right, you want to stay tipsy? Follow on Instagram at Tianasaurus Rex. Good luck spelling it. All right, stay tipsy.